How to fix YouTube profile picture not changing. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. So when this happens, it is generally because of a poor Wi-Fi connection or you have a bug or a glitch issue. To solve it, all you have to do is first and foremost check for your Wi-Fi connection. Enable your airplane mode if your Wi-Fi is acting up. Let it be for 3 seconds. Disable your airplane mode. Then connect to a better Wi-Fi connection or a cellular data. Next step, you need to go ahead and press and hold onto your YouTube app and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. This is to fix bug or a glitch issue. Next step, open up your Play Store. Search for YouTube. Now in here we are checking for any available update. If there is an update, just leave for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. This process will also help you to fix with a bug or a glitch issue. Final step is to open up your phone setting. Scroll down and navigate to Apps and head to All Apps. From here, search for YouTube. It is the alternative way to force stop it and clearing off the cache. Now while you are in your phone setting, you can head back. Navigate to the option of System Update. Now ensure that your device is up to date so that it can support the latest version of your app. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.